Today I'm going to show you the process that I've taken to solder this silver plated nickel piece together. So let's get started. So you're going to need some flux. This one says to use it dry, but I never have. I always mix it with some water because I find it stays in place. This is what it looks like, just to give you an insight. I mix it with a little bit of water, just like this. Apply a little bit of flux. We have some silver wire, which I've cut up into some small pieces. This is what it is. Argentinian silver solder, easy round wire, 0.6 mil. This is what I use. Put it on a very low heat. And what we're going to be doing is evenly going over both pieces, bringing them up to temperature. And the reason I do it this way is because if you put the two pieces together and then try to solder, you've got to get a lot of heat through that metal before the centre will start letting the silver flow, and you'll find that you'll end up melting all of the silver off the outside before the inside gets to that temperature. So if you have them separated like this, just get them up to a good temperature, and you'll see this flux will turn into almost like a gel. And once it does that, it's almost like a glue as such. And it's really quite good because once you put your pieces together and add a little bit of pressure, they almost stick together. As you can see, the silver starting to ball up and flow with the solder. The other piece, as you can see, silver plating is starting to melt, which is what we want. We want these pieces to be similar temperatures, and you know they're similar temperatures if both the pieces have silver melting on them. With your pliers, just get hold of your piece, make sure that the silver's starting to melt, and then simply fold it over. Everything's still very much wet at the minute, so you'll have plenty of time to line this up to where you want. I just use the edge of my pliers, just like, and then what I like to do is with a piece of wire, I like to come through at the end and just really make sure that we're getting a good connection. So I just put an extra bit of silver through to make sure that we've got a good solid connection. So now I'm happy with that. I'm going to turn the heat off. Be very careful with this. This is very dangerous. I mean, silver melts at around 950, so you can imagine this piece is rather hot, and the last thing you want to be doing is putting your bare skin on it. So now we can pull this off. So I'm just going to get some water, drop that in, leave that again for a few seconds. Don't go straight in after it because it can still retain quite a lot of heat. And you should be left with something like this.